Hello, I'm Rob Rule, the golden rule of real estate. My philosophy in life has always revolved around one simple concept, the golden rule. So, as one of the area's leading real estate agents, I provide people with the savvy business expertise and extra attention that they need to make their move a rewarding experience. As a native Houstonian, I pride myself on being able to provide buyers the local insights that will help them find the right match for their lifestyle and budget. And I believe in keeping current on the latest technology and online resources that give sellers a decisive advantage in marketing their home. So take your time, look around, and if you can't find the answers you're looking for, please email me, fill out one of the forms, or simply give me a call. When looking to buy or sell a home, there's no substitute for ethical high standards and a professional who takes a genuine interest in your success. With me, you can expect just that. It's no wonder that people know me as the golden rule of real estate.